Bangalore so much that I have a tattoo of Bangalore's coordinates on me.
During my childhood, I mostly stayed in Banchamkik, which is the core of
Guys, shit, Bangalore's pretty awesome because Bangalore's a very chill person.
That's one of like now if I go back home, my mom is so surprised that I am there. घर के भी कपड़े सारे मिला के I'm putting it to wash, and my mom's like, "What's happening?" We're like, "You've changed." Sad.
I like dosa, but I like other stuff also which I don't get here.
For example,
I really love soya chap, but it's not here. Momos nowhere to be found. Chole.
I'm understanding कि घर में मम्मी होती थी
तो लाइफ कितनी इजी रहती थी. मम्मी ये चाहिए, मम्मी वो करना है, मम्मा ये कर दो प्लीज. खाना मिल जाता था टाइमली. यहाँ पे दिस इज अ स्ट्रगल भाई. दैट नेक्स्ट Samit is gonna come.
Yeah.
And I Hi, I'm Mo.
Hi, I'm Yukti.
Hi, I'm Suhas.
Hi, I'm Uttara.
And we are here for the first ever episode of Chillcast. So, here we go.
Let's go.
Yeah. So, let me start with introduction. So, Yukti, can we start with your introduction? And let's keep a limit to it. 15 seconds.
Okay. I think I'll take less than that. So, hi everybody. I'm Yukti. I'm a Bangalorean, born and brought up, and I'm a friend of Mo.
Nice. Hi guys, I'm Suhas. Again, born and brought up in Bangalore. And I would say I'm a Paka Bangalorean. So I think we'll explore further.
Okay.
I'm Uttara, born and brought up here in Bangalore. I like Bangalore so much that I have a tattoo of Bangalore's coordinates on me.
I just wondered what that was.
Yeah, Bangalore's coordinates.
Yeah. So, everyone wondering what here we are doing. Who are we? So, we are some bunch of students from Scalar School of Business. Hi, I am Mo and I am from Ghaziabad and not Delhi. So, I've been born in Kanpur. I've been raised in Ghaziabad and now I'm here in Bangalore. So, I was thinking, let's roll the conversation around how Bangalore has treated you guys, being all of you being from Bangalore. So I would love to hear stories from you both, from all of you.
Yukti.
Yeah, all of you, I said. At the end.
Reduce the number. I can't see Uttara. She's not there.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
Let's go with the Pakka bang.
Yeah.
Bangalore. Saw Bangalore first time June 20, 2001.
We're not interested.
Beautiful place, amazing memories, beautiful places to visit, and it's like a family within, and I don't know, it gives that sort of vibe where you're at peace, you're chill, everything's going fine, and no need to take too much stress. Chalta, it's okay.
That is
It's going.
in Bang.
So I stay in BTM there.
Okay, Shako.
That is like core Bangalore. Right now, Electronic City is Electronic City.
Not right. Let's.
So how was childhood really like?
Start Bangalore.
Oh, childhood. So during my childhood, I mostly stayed in Banchamkik, which is the core of That's my grandparents' place. So I mean, the people there, the climate there.
How far is this from here? Because we live in Electronic City. It's like so far to say.
Something kilometers.
BTM is around 15 kilometers and then plus 7, so around 21, 22.
Yeah.
Disadvantages of staying in Electronic City. Yeah. Moving on, can we have Uttara's story?
Oh.
From childhood, please start childhood. Yeah.
I remember childhood. But I don't think I had such an attachment to Bangalore until I think I was in 11th, 12th. I think until college I didn't realize how much I really like Bangalore because I met people from a lot of other places and then I realized, shit, Bangalore is pretty awesome because Bangalore's a very chill person. Like if Bangalore is a person, Bangalore's a chill person. Bangalore has the most Bangalore has to offer is its people and the vibes. Like Bangalore's built on vibes.
Guys, come on.
Bangalore's built on vibes. It's not like some dude. Bangalore has the best like clubs.
I don't agree. I don't agree.
No, I'll tell you. So there's this thing called Tindi Walk. I don't know if you guys have heard of it. I'm part of this group. There's 1,000 something plus people, and we go out for these walks. Early in the morning, we go out and eat food. We explore different types of foods in like groups of like 30, 40 people. And this happens
And that different kind, I don't want to offend any one of you, but I think different kind of foods, you mean all the South Indian different kind of foods like the idli, dosa and different.
See, I'll tell you.
Do you like dosa?
Do you like dosa?
I like dosa, but I like other stuff also which I don't get here.
For example,
I really love soya chap, but it's not here. Momos nowhere to be found. Chole bhature.
No, don't say anything.
You haven't been to the right place.
Yeah, momos we've got.
I think I should have gotten one more North Indian in this podcast.
See, I'll put momos in Electronic City.
Dude, I think I find, by the way, the best momos in Bangalore. I found it, and I kind of want to gatekeep it. I'll tell you guys off camera.
What's that place called Maya Momos that the other night HSI mein?
That's High Street.
High Street, yeah. It was fine. Jhol Momos was really...
Yeah, that Jhol momos.
Yeah.
Like we were using
So guys, we came from childhood to food, but we would like to first hear Yukti's side of story also. Yeah. Let's go jump back to first part.
So I think I resonate with what Uttara said, that the love for Bangalore was not from childhood, right? Because single child, everybody in
Has single child clubs.
that probably I was more backward than you two here, but at the same time, my parents are also like really big foodies, especially my dad. He's my partner in crime when it comes to food. So I was, how do I say this? My whole childhood was like a part of this cocoon where it's just like me, my family, my friends, my extended cousins. I had like a very sweet childhood, a lot of fun within family and few friends of mine. I think that changed around like high school. Is when I'm like, oh, I'm going to do all the cool things in life, you know? So that's when I think I started exploring more with my friends. And see, it's embarrassing to say, but in spite of being born and brought up in Bangalore, I know very little about Bangalore. In the sense, like the areas, I'm not explored Bangalore.
आप अगर एयरपोर्ट के पास रहेंगी एंड बैंगलोर से दूर रहेंगी तो यही होगा. जैसे हम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिटी में रह के पछता रहे हैं वैसे वहाँ रह के पछता है.
See, the thing is, my place, Hebbal, Kembapura, it's at least not as bad as here.
No,
Electronics is
actually that place is actually good.
Yeah.
There is Coffee Board layout, there is Sarashin Nagar nearby.
Bellroom.
I mean,
Bellroom is bomb actually.
Bellwood is the happening place, I'm sorry.
It's not the happy.
I mean,
When
it's
are you guys
one of the-
taking? So when are you guys taking? My simple question is, when are you guys taking?
Assignments कितना बचा है अभी?
Let's don't remind you. Yeah.
But like, even then, you were told, you know, exploring started like 10th, 11th. So that is where I'm like, बाहर जाके Bangalore explore करेंगे. And the more I explore, the more I fall in love with the city.
Wow.
And like till now, my favorite spot in Bangalore is Kabul. Okay. I care what people have to say. But any day you call up in the morning, like, chalo Kabul Pan chalte, I am down. Okay, you want to go, you want to walk, I can walk with you. I've done this with my friend. Jahan pe kuch nahi, we met there 4 hours. We just walked around the place.
Yeah.
Just talking, just looking at things. That's it.
You never know where time flies.
Yes.
You never do.
Dogs in the park. There are people.
Guys, FOMO.
Especially Sunday.
FOMO.
Oh, Sundays are. I mean, who knows? You'll meet Nikhil Kamath also there.
Yeah, such a big fan of Nick. Oh, wait.
Yeah.
How did you feel after that
I
crack?
don't speak very good at all.
Wait, you met him?
No. So
I
she was the
going to.
So I'll tell you the whole story. Me and Ashish, who's right behind the camera, me and Ashish planned. So we planned that we are gonna prank everyone. April Fool's Day is coming. Yeah, so we thought of pranking that Nikhil Kamath is gonna come.
Yeah.
And I knew for a fact that I knew Uttara how big fan she is of him. And I told him the first person who's gonna overreact is Uttara and we need to capture that. We called her in the medical room. Keshav fixed a camera. He put it in a place like somewhere near a table, like वो जो side में टेबल के पीछे छुपा दिया था. And then we called Uttara, and Uttara, when we just broke it down, she was jumping, she was howling, and she was like, well, she would have cried, but she stopped herself. Yeah. But that was very. And after that, Ashish felt bad. Ashish was like, poor guy. I feel bad. I just feel bad.
Even now, when I think about it, I feel a little sad. Very painful. Like, I'm crying. Especially for someone like me. But Uttara, we love you. It was very on point, I think. Yeah. Dude, I was in pain after that. And then when I realized, like, what was done? Like, actually, I was in the room, but then it was too good, right? Like, you don't want it not to be true. So your brain is just in denial, and then she's like saying, we'll take Kritika also. We'll take this one also. And then this one also. I was like, bro, 1 minute.
You caught us there.
Yeah. No, I didn't. I still don't want to believe. I want to believe that Nikhil Kamat's coming here. He's going to talk to us. I'm going to be on the podcast. I want to believe. But it's okay.
Yeah.
Someday.
That was one good memory.
So that's one other beautiful thing about Bangalore. You never know when you might encounter.
Yeah, I've heard stories. So the other day I was talking to someone and he told me that he was sitting in Rameshwaram cafe having dosa, and there was this very professional guy who was sitting with a auto wala. Just random conversations. He's a very rich guy, very very on a very high position. But he's just sitting with a normal auto wala guy and having food, and they're discussing and they leave अपने रास्ते. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि साथ में जा रहे हैं, कुछ है. Well, there's that one story was like, अच्छा, so there's no वो नहीं है वैसा कि
Bangalore.
Yeah, कि egoist people are like that कि मैं ऐसा तो I should talk to people who are on that level. So yeah. तो वो स्टोरी मेरे को काफी अच्छी लगी थी. बट आई हैव टू विजिट रामेश्वरम आल्सो.
Actually, it's truly how most of Bangalore is. I feel like very friendly people. Like even growing up, I remember there's not much of like so you have a lot of, let's say, North Indians, people from the South. Like a lot of people grew up here collectively. Like we have people in Delhi, Kashmir. Like I have a friend who's Kashmiri and she was in my school with me. So I feel like in Bangalore, you're able to blend with a lot of different cultures by default. Like you're exposed to it at a very early age.
I agree to that point that Bangalore has a lot of mix of cultures. So to say that Delhi also has that culture point wherein they're mixed kind of people. Don't laugh, guys, please. No, but I would say that there are people there in Delhi very humble. But where I find Delhi most, like I belong to Delhi, where I feel like Delhi better is wherein I feel like when it comes to traveling, infrastructure wise, and बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है यार यहाँ पे ट्रैवल करना. मतलब I feel like crying if I have to step out of Electronic City. I have to think twice how much time it will take to me कि मैं इंदिरा नगर तक कितनी देर में पहुँचूंगी.
Yeah, absolutely.
That is there.
And food is better in Delhi, please.
No.
Yes.
Yes, food is better in it.
Subject.
North Indian food.
We have very authentic places for South Indian also. We have authentic places for South Indian and you will love it.
I'm sure here so we have
Authentic is born in Bangalore.
Yeah. What we threw a marketing class out of the window. Yes.
Go for it.
Authenticity.
Sorry, Dipesh sir.
I'm not fixing to that. It's just name dropped. So I can't name drop. He'll murder. Murder.
You buggers.
Murder.
Yeah.
Let's speak about dosa from.
Actually, tell me your favorite places where you would love to go for dosa or your favorite delicacy, your favorite restaurant? Just if you had to choose one restaurant here,
We hate it.
One restaurant.
one restaurant like कभी भी जा सकते हो.
There's a list. If you ask one, it is too much to sort.
Yes.
How would you want to like cut it down? Like
There's something you guys will hate me. I didn't eat dosa outside. Huh?
One dish, one restaurant.
okay. So Ashish has given a cube, one dish, one restaurant.
No, I was saying.
You're saying something.
You were bad. So I have not liked dosa for a very long time. Like until I think 14, 15, I was a very cranky eater. And I never ate dosa outside of my house. So the first time I ate a dosa, I ate like in some normal basic Udupi. I think I would eat it after basketball coaching, and this dosa would be really oily, greasy, masala in it, and that is my. I mean, why am I explaining masala? Masala dosa. Like anything I could eat was a masala dosa. So masala dosa from anywhere usually I really like. I don't have particular.
See, I think that's true because a lot of places in Bangalore have perfected that masala dosa. But
And even if there are variations, those variations are perfect to their extent.
like each variation is a beauty in it.
Okay, just name drop one restaurant, please.
If I had to name drop one, I would say Sitia. That's in Paleshwara.
Right.
Because I love the combo of like their dosa, their chutney is yum. Like, yes, man, bro, and their coffee at the end.
I just have one question. When are you taking me? When are you taking me?
No, when you're ready to travel, all day,
Come on.
without complaining about
Come
traffic.
on. Yesterday only I told you, can I come along with you to Hebbal and then we'll go.
You come with me to Hebbal. From there we'll go. We'll go to like 3-4 places and then we'll probably.
Guys, would you like to join us?
And actually, some of dosa, I'm never saying no.
Yeah.
Or
Just say-
who's going to do is my assignment stick.
Like that, मतलब I agree. यही पास में ना एक I think there's this very small stall मतलब पास में ही है, and they were selling this ghee podi dosa that we had the other day.
You know how it's
No, it's a very small store.
it's still
Yeah. No, we are not talking about Srini dark store here. We are not talking.
Like in front of the duck.
Dream Mart के पास.
okay.
And
My brain dosa.
so
रात को हम लोग गए.
हाँ, I agree with Uttara कि मुझे भी जो मम्मी घर पे डोसा बना,
हाँ.
that is like my favorite.
Yeah.
Okay, and I was craving it so much.
Yeah.
I was craving it so bad, and these were like, "Chalo, we'll go have something and come." And we went to Udupi.
Yeah.
It was closing.
And I really मतलब मेरा उस दिन बिल्कुल मन नहीं था मेरे को डोसा खाना है कुछ भी खाना है. I was like I need something healthy. तो कुछ मेरे को कुछ मतलब I know डोसा is healthy. I'm sorry. yeah. But then उस दिन मेरा मन नहीं था खाने का. I was like I want to eat something else. I want to have roll. I was craving for a roll. And these so she, Blossom and Yash, we all four were going to have dinner. एंड इन लोगों ने ऑर्डर करा डोसा एंड मेरे को खाना था रोल. तो वहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं था. आई डोंट रिमेंबर ऑल्सो व्हाट आई ऑर्डर बट आई रिमेंबर द डोसा दे ऑर्डर्ड एंड दे वर लाइक मो खा लेना. आई वाज वेरी क्रैंकी दैट डे कि मेरे को नहीं खाना आई डोंट वांट टू ईट इट. बट उसके बाद उन्होंने मेरे मुंह में जबरदस्ती एक बाइट ठूसा. And after that, I just couldn't stop. We just couldn't stop. It was coming on and on. बारी order करे जा रहे. And the guy was also like, बस. I think he was thinking कि कब रुकोगे, bye.
Because like the craving, and it hit the spot.
Yeah.
How
It's a
like,
big dosa.
this is what I wanted. We should talk to them. And then like, oh yeah, it's the owner's mom's recipe. I'm like, it's seen.
Yeah.
Like, oh, it was nothing.
Mom's touch is quite frequent in Bollywood.
Yes. Yeah, I think there's a lot of
All the right place.
Yeah, in Rajasthan, there's a lot of those litti chokha places that are actually quite good. It's made by like very homely places. Like I'm not talking about the places that are like branding. On the main road, right, 27 main road, they have like litti chokha places and all. And it tastes really good. Like it tastes like homely. A lot of people might not like it, but I don't like litti
Guys,
chokha.
been to Bangalore Cafe?
It's Sal Bati. Which one?
Bangalore Cafe.
Natural?
4 o'clock.
No. Yeah.
Why? Tell Sunny.
I haven't been. You've been to Thailand?
Of course.
Fatih once.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's about it. Tosa.
Guys, now I think
Yeah.
let's just move to our next segment.
Yeah.
Let's talk about
This will go on forever.
Can you
Yeah.
do a food segment only?
Yeah.
maybe next time.
Like the whole day just to food.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what we're talking about.
Yeah.
And you can mix in with thoda Delhi ka khana and we will like rebuttal that.
I would have, but then I feel like if we start doing that now, तो वो तो खत्म ही नहीं होगा. And I need one more North Indian with me. I can't handle you guys alone.
We should ask Adarsh to take us for like a whole food run and like everyone pitch into places. That's a great trip for us to go. No, food streets. That's what we will put.
Guys,
Let's
Let's discuss.
let me catch your attention.
Yeah. Yes. Sorry.
So, I don't know about you guys, but this is my first time living independently here. So, how has it been for all of you? मतलब it for me, it's a real pain. Now I'm understanding कि घर में मम्मी होती थी तो लाइफ कितनी इजी रहती थी. मम्मी ये चाहिए, मम्मी वो करना है, मम्मा ये कर दो प्लीज, खाना मिल जाता था टाइमली. यहाँ पे दिस इज अ स्ट्रगल. भाई आई एम थैंकफुल दैट आई हैव स्कोर्ड एन इंटर्नशिप सो माय लाइफ इज सॉर्टेड. बट यहाँ पे वरना यहाँ पे सुबह फ्रॉम 9 to 12 AM और 1 AM टिल नाइट वी आर हियर. तो हमारा पूरा खाने का रूटीन इज ऑल मेस्ड अप.
Yeah.
एंड देन उसके बाद कपड़े खुद से धोना, कपड़े this was all cleaning shoes for your own self. मतलब ये सब आदत नहीं थी मेरे को. honestly I'm telling you, वहाँ पे सब हो जाता था.
No, yeah, it's actually the same. My first time away from home. I stay in Bangalore, but Hembar में रहती हूँ. And this is electronics. I'm not traveling
Understand.
2.5 hours every day. So this is my first time outside as well. And मुझे adjust करने में it was not that problematic. I adjusted pretty well. But I will tell you this. Washing your clothes, it is a little bit of a pain because I have to remember to wash my clothes every like 2 times a week. And then you're like, oh, my clothes are drying on top. Let's get them back down. And like, that's one of like now if I go back home, my mom is so surprised that I am there. घर के भी कपड़े सारे मिला के I'm putting it to wash, and my mom's like, what's happening? You're like, you've changed.
Sadly, I still don't relate. I just take weekly I get like a bag. I take it back home, get it washed, come back.
So I did this for the few months, like starting months. I was traveling back to Delhi frequently. So I used to get a whole bag of clothes in one suitcase. And no, like the recent clothes that were dirty, I used to put it all in one suitcase and take it back home. And my mom started screaming at me. She's like, why are you getting this here? You have all the resources there, just utilize it, just pay some extra money. If you can't wash it, just get it done, but please don't get it here all the way back here because we can't. So she likes giving me something. Oh, put like mixture हो गया, खाना पीना and everything. And she is so agitated that I can't give you all that stuff because you have so many clothes and 15 kilos of limitations. I'm like, sorry.
But the food changed.
It is him.
Okay, like stay in a PG, and he stays in the same PG. We get 3 meals a day, but let's just say it's not something you want to eat.
Yeah.
I am tired.
Bro, last term when we were preparing for our finals, 1 week, legit at least 1 meal we have ordered.
Yeah.
Or you just look.
Oh, see.
I'm just like so much food. I'm ordering so much food.
December
For the food I'm ordering.
December and January were like heavy on expenses. I was just looking at my balance sheet. I'm saying account statement. I was looking at. I was like, shit. I need to stop spending money on food.
So, but I do think because we stay in like PGs or away from home and we're looking for alternatives, कि खाना कहाँ मिलेगा and something that's reasonable now. So we have found like 3-4 spots in Electronic City where I'd go and eat every.
Nawaz is their favorite bite.
Now it's Kanawadi.
I'm not saying Kanawadi.
Yeah.
That paratha place.
Yeah. Aloo paratha.
For Kanawadi here, there are Jordan Roti meets.
How about you? It's so hard.
At a disappointment.
Honestly, can't relate to all this, but I stay at home with
Mummy ka khana.
No, but
I believe so. I travel a lot. I go on trips very often. Bike pay. I just go for say a week or something.
Yeah.
And I guess I can handle myself. Coming from my own household, I'm not sure how to describe it. I am pretty sure I can handle myself.
You've not stayed out, no?
Sorry.
Wait till you have to stay out.
I believe I can.
Wait. Setting up a house.
same thing.
Then on top of that, remembering to take care of yourself. Not it is not easy. You'll start losing weight and all.
That's good, no?
Is there anything that Bangalore has taught you guys?
Like,
Living in Bangalore has taught you one most important life skill.
yeah, I did.
very good Hindi, and I understand quite a few things.
Yeah, I can't even come. Like, if you talk to Yukti, you will not feel like she's from Bangalore. She's just like normal North Indian person. Like, she very fluently speaks.
Anybody I speak,
When it comes to Uttarakhand,
I'm like, no. Proper Kannadiga.
Oh, my Hindi is very good. You can't say it.
Yes.
Like,
say one thing. Say one thing.
As a 10.
And say 10 things.
Talk to me in Hindi. Let's switch it up. Because we talk in Hindi now.
Yeah, Suhas, so you're gonna say it for the first time.
No, Suhas will speak.
I speak good.
Okay, good. Little gender.
Okay. Let's know 3 sentences of Hindi and then 3 sentences of you guys teaching me Bangalorean slangs. Bangalore words.
Slangs.
Or words or phrases.
Oh, I think that Uttara will start.
Mm-hmm.
She was just calling up someone like, tell me what you talk to the office and about. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, हाँ ठीक है. Let's talk. Auto वाले को if I have to get an auto, not using an app, but using my skill set, how please take me. I'm not that bad. Come on. No, I'm good.
Thanks. Okay, boys.
You know. So they will say, screw you, no, and we'll just fucking drive. They don't give a shit. Auto rickshaw drivers in Bangalore have more power than people do here. Yeah, they don't give a shit. They just leave.
Yeah, so if I have to get an auto, tell me 3 phrases or 3 words or 3 sentences that will be enough for me to get an auto and get the right dial, and I'll be peacefully off to my destination.
Start off with Uttara.
I think I'll give you a couple of tips and then I'll give you a sentence. Okay, I'll tell you what always works for me. Then I feel like this person is not going to listen. I would say, "Hello, sir, Anna, please." I'll say first, exam day. Sorry, exam day. Urgent. Achha. You like tell them that dash place going. Please come. This much. Okay, and then after that you say that. Wait. I know the line. It's Nange.
Coming to it.
Nange Kannada karta de.
Kannada karta de.
Something tappa ide shamsi. Which means basically I'm learning Kannada, especially for a North Indian. It gives you like
It gives you an edge.
Yeah. So this I learned from my friend Khush. And he uses this, and auto rickshaw drivers like superhero Anna. Superhero, because they're so happy that someone's really trying. And I think that's what maybe these auto rickshaw drivers are even upset about it, that you demand them to like understand, speak in Hindi, but like you don't even try speaking in their language. So I think that's what they're upset about usually. So I think this would really help. So I would suggest you repeat that line. Nange Kannada karta ide. Kannada karta ide.
So let's make that better. Nanu Kannada kalita idini.
Kalita idini.
Kalita idini.
Yeah, Nanu Kannada kalita idini. I am learning
Kannada kalita idini.
Yes. Tappatre. So this sentence basically translates to, if I misspeak, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
So this is, you say these 2 sentences, like she said, they're like, okay, she's at least
Okay with
Then it's an opportunity.
yes, we will also try.
I hope you guys don't get offended when someone comes to you like North Indian and say हमें तो नहीं आता, हम नहीं सीखने वाले.
हम ये बात
That we're quite like chill.
bad, you know, bad Hindi is better than bad. So that's okay. Very, very.
Definitely.
So I tell you what actually really bugs me is when people say Kannad Gutti.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I must at least get the language name right.
Yeah.
It's like me saying Hind nahi aata.
Up.
You're really sorry.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
How do you speak to the auto driver? Nannige
ನಾನು
ಕನ್ನಡ
ಕನ್ನಡ
ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಸಾರಿ
ನಾನು
Kannada.
ಕನ್ನಡ
ಕನ್ನಡ ಓಕೆ ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Yeah.
Now what was it?
The other one was ತಪ್ಪಾದ್ರೆ
ತಪ್ಪಾದ್ರೆ
sorry. You say sorry.
ತಪ್ಪಾದ್ರೆ
ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ ಎಷ್ಟು
ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ
ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ
क्षमा कर दो. क्षमा
ತಪ್ಪಾದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ.
That's right. Yeah, she's born and brought up in Bangalore only. No, she's yeah.
Hindi is GG.
Yes. So, are we coming to an end? Yeah. Let's cut.
Let's cut.
Let's cut because you guys have a class to catch up and there are restrictions. We have a heavy finance class to get on with. So,
So let's do one more thing then.
I have a long list of places to go to in Bangalore, and I'm hoping these guys are gonna take me to those places. And one thing I would like to add, bro, I love the weather here. I seriously do. In summers also it's raining. It's crazy. It's crazy. I like one thing hands down I can give it to Bangalore is weather.
Yes.
Weather. The weather is to die for. And anytime if you have to make me stay back in Bangalore is because of weather. Other day I told Yukti this thing and she got agitated. She was like, why not me? Only weather.
Very roommate talks.
Yeah. So that happened. So yeah, we are coming to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed our small conversation and hoping for more to come.
Yes.
Yes. So let's cut this in Bangalore slang. Please teach me how to say thank you.
Oh, there.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Dhanyavad Guru.
ಮತ್ ಸಿಗೋಣ.
Matsigada. Let's say it all together. You can watch there. And Uttarayan I will watch there.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Yeah.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಗೋಣ.
Okay. Dhanyavad
ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಗೋಣ.
Sigona.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it. See you guys. See you in the next episode. Ashish, please come with us.